Hello guys, I have come today with another video. I am doing unboxing video of this Avengers, Hulk, Thor and Captain America, Iron Man also, unboxing Avengers box. Now we will open it and see what are including inside. First of all, we will start with Iron Man. We get Iron Man. Iron Man's action figure. Its hand is only movable like this. Its legs are movable like this. So it is a good pack. Now we will continue. What is this? Oh, this is like a web shooter. We can put these discs inside this and do that trigger thing you see. You will do that. It will come out of here, you know that. And this is also that we get with Iron Man. I am fixing it and showing it how you can use it. See, like this. It will not help that much, but it will help to show like a action piece. We'll continue to Captain America. Everything is movable. Hand, wrist, not wrist, elbow, his legs, knee are movable, and these are the movable, and head is also movable. We get shield with it. We can put you are seeing this lot. This can be put here. This thing. I am putting and showing you. See. Now you can do your action movies, toys. Okay. Now we will continue. We will see now Hulk. You know, everybody, Hulk doesn't have any weapon. He uses everything as a weapon. No. He's a bodybuilder. Okay. It's having detailed muscle. His hand is not movable. Only shoulder movable. His leg is movable. This and this movable. Okay, that is much for Hulk. We will move on Thor. You know Thor, he's a god of thunder. So, his hand is movable but not the elbow part. And leg is movable and knee is movable. He has a cape also, wow. Now, last but not least, Thor's hammer. It is detailed but this side part, you know, that Thor having is not detailed that much. I am zooming and showing you. See this part is not detailed, but everything else is detailed. His handle, he is not having that belt type thing here, not having, but having everything else. See details. I am putting and showing Thor's hammer. See this. See. Now you all can see that these action figures are best, and we will see another Iron Man suit that is not including, but I will show. This is of mine. I have it from earlier. Hello, this you are seeing that Iron Man suit, Hulkbuster. This that I want to show you. I was having it earlier, and let's remove the Avengers and see the Hulkbuster. This is the action figure Hulk. Its hand is movable, legs are not movable. Only hands, both hands are movable. And see, only the front part is detailed. Back part is detailed but not having color including. It can be put 4 batteries here. Opening these 3 or 4 batteries here, and it will this you see this button. If you push this one, you will get sound effects, and you will see the light coming out of this both part. And head is movable, and he can do his fist rotation of this side and this side also. But now the interesting part, see, this button you are seeing, this button, if you push this button, it will, if you have seen Age of Avengers, Age of Ultron, so you have known that Hulk, a scene there when Hulk uses his fist to do catching Hulk's hand here and doing this with him. If you are CB, you will know that. And we will look some things of this box. We also get a sketch. We also get a sketch art of Avengers that we have opened. This is Iron Man. This is Hulk, Thor, Captain America. And see here also giving the poses that you can make. This is the back of the box, written black. We can another set that contains Captain America, Spider-Man, Batman and Superman. I not buy that one. I most likely like the Avengers. Okay. We have completed the unboxing. Thank you for seeing my video. Thank you for watching my videos, and if you like content, please subscribe, like and share. Peace.